Creating the perfect macarons that are both authentic and a sweet masterpiece requires precision, attention to detail, and a touch of creativity. Here's a tried-and-true recipe that will help you achieve macaron perfection. Authentic French macarons, a sweet masterpiece. Ingredients. For the macaron shells. 1. 1 cup, 100 g, almond flour. 2. 1 3/4 cups, 200 g, powdered sugar. 3. 3 large egg whites, at room temperature. 4. 1/4 cup, 50 g, granulated sugar. 5. Gel food coloring, optional. For the filling. 1. 1/2 cup, 115 g, unsalted butter, softened. 2. 1½ cups, 180 g, powdered sugar. 3. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 4. Food flavoring, optional. Instructions. Macaron shells. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. In a food processor, combine the almond flour and powdered sugar. Pulse until fine and well combined. Sift the mixture into a large bowl to remove any lumps. Set aside. In a separate mixing bowl, beat the egg whites on medium speed until they start to foam. Gradually add the granulated sugar while continuing to beat. Increase the speed to high and beat until stiff peaks form and the meringue is glossy. Gently fold the sifted almond flour mixture into the meringue in 3 batches, using a spatula. The batter should be smooth and have a lava-like consistency. If desired, add a small amount of gel food coloring and fold until evenly distributed. Transfer the batter to a piping bag fitted with a round tip. Pipe small rounds onto the prepared baking sheet, about 1.5 inches in diameter, spacing them about 1 inch apart. Tap the baking sheet on the counter a few times to release any air bubbles. Let the piped macarons sit at room temperature for about 20-30 minutes, until a skin forms on the surface. This step is crucial for achieving the characteristic macaron feet. Bake the macarons in the preheated oven for 15-18 minutes, or until they are set and have a slight golden hue. Remove from the oven and allow them to cool completely on the baking sheet before carefully removing them. Filling. In a mixing bowl, beat the softened butter until creamy and smooth. Gradually add the powdered sugar and continue to beat until well combined and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and any desired flavorings or colorings. Mix until incorporated. Assembling the macarons. Match up macaron shells of similar sizes. Transfer the filling to a piping bag fitted with a round tip. Pipe a dollop of filling onto the flat side of one shell. Gently press another shell on top to create a sandwich. Repeat the process with the remaining macaron shells. For best results, refrigerate the assembled macarons for 24 hours before enjoying. This allows the flavors to meld and the texture to develop fully. Serve and enjoy. Serve your authentic French macarons as a sweet masterpiece that's sure to impress your friends and family. These delicate treats are perfect for special occasions or as a delightful indulgence anytime. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to macarons, so don't be discouraged if your first batch isn't flawless. With time and experience, you'll master the art of creating these delectable treats.